Welcome po to SM by the Bay. Let's start the walking tour of this entire area.
And we're here just in time for the sunset, as you can see behind us. So let's see what this area has to offer. As you can see, it's very crowded out here. There are a lot of people who come out here, and they come out here to witness the beautiful sunset.
And it is only Wednesday. This area is located right across from the Mall of Asia, the biggest mall in the Philippines. And we have done several walking tours of that mall because the mall is so huge. We had to break it down in parts. And we also have done a video about prices of the supermarket products here, groceries in the Philippines. So if you want to see roughly how much it costs to grocery shop here in the Philippines, Manila specifically, you can check out that video. But this area is very busy. There are a lot of kids, lots of adults here, and lots of entertainment as well.
And as you can see right across, that is the Mall of Asia, and you see people also looking over the balcony area, trying to get a glimpse of the sunset.
If you're new to our channel, my name is Irina.
And I'm Devon.
And we are living the globe. We travel full time, exploring different countries. And for the entire month, we are living in the Philippines. We have gone to Bohol, Philippines, and we're staying in Manila for 3 weeks. So if you're interested to see what it's like to live in different parts of the world, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
So here they have different types of food. There's popcorn, coconut water. This area is really cool. A lot of people come here during the evening to catch the sunset and just kind of relax by the bay. It's nice and breezy here. As you can see, there's a potato corner, which is hardly ever in a corner. And as the sun goes down and it gets a little darker here, there are some rides for the kids, and there's also a massive Ferris wheel. Oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna have to stop here and I'm gonna have to get one of these. 100%, I see that. So beef patty it is. Oh my goodness.
Wow, and it looks like they also have honey, so they probably make juice, lemon juice with honey.
No,
oh,
I
lemon
noticed
ginger, look at that.
Yeah, I noticed
lemon calamansi, I'm sorry.
I noticed the patties, the Jamaican beef patties are a little thin. They're thinner than normal, but they probably sold out on all the spicy ones. Spicy tuna. Yeah, they're selling out on them like crazy. Can I have two cheesy?
Cheesy beef pinatubo.
Yeah, pinatubo.
How many?
Two. And lemon camanasi.
Calamansi.
One.
259. What?
So that ruckus you hear over there, that's the shaker that's shaking the mixed drink. They don't shake it by hand. The machine shakes everything up. And this is the Jamaican beef patty. I haven't had Jamaican beef patty in I don't even know how long. So I'm gonna see what it tastes like. But they have the original here, and they have this one, which is cheesy beef pinatuba. She said that's the spicy one, so that's the one I'm gonna go with. Not sure what that's gonna taste like, because normally I don't eat Jamaican beef patties with cheese. But we'll see what it tastes like. So let's give this a try. See what it tastes like. Fingers crossed. Jamaican beef patty, cheese, pinatubo. No spice yet. Okay. Now spice. This is pretty good. I like it. Now the crust is not like your typical Jamaican beef patty, but it's still really good. Cut.
Devon is still eating, but we are continuing with our walk, with our tour. The sun just finished setting, but as you can see, they have a lot of food options, different snacks here. This is, I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Do you know what this is? Pizza store here. They have some lights here. Tender, juicy hot dog. Look at the recycling bin. Seafood Island. Have a lot of dogs here. Look, they have a carriage for the dogs. Really cute.
So many people out here.
Yeah. Bikers cafe.
I see those people with those two-seater bikes. Looks like a really cool way to get around, but they look like they move really slow.
Yeah. Oh, there's pet lounge and family cafe. I've never seen anything like that before. Pet lounge. That just goes to show you how really people, how much they love their pets. Look, have a little playground for dogs or pets, whatever. But I don't see nobody with any type of pets here. Looks like they're setting up for some live music here. This place is called Wow Cow. It's a nice looking restaurant. There are some people inside. They have hot pot, barbecue.
It's funny, I see those mounds of sand out there, and it looks like it would be like a man-made island or something.
Yeah, I don't know what they're making there. It's a lot of them. This is the world's best Korean barbecue. Very interesting. Have you seen it before? Let us know. This entire bay is lined with different restaurants and cafes. And not to mention lots of restaurants in the mall too. This looks like some type of steakhouse because they have meat, premium meat. Oh no, seafood too. Oh, this is Hot Pot City, Four Seasons.
I didn't think there were so many high-end restaurants out here. I thought maybe it would have just been like, you know, little snacks here and there, kind of like carnival
Right.
food, but they're really big restaurants.
There's a really nice breeze. So it feels really nice to walk along the water here. There's Japanese teppanyaki and sushi bar. And this looks like the last restaurant here. So let's just hop back over to the middle where we started and we'll go the opposite direction because there is a Ferris wheel there as well.
So we are back here at the Jamaican beef patty area where I just bought my beef patties, and we're gonna walk more along the inside because along the shoreline it's dark, you can't really see anything. But here, as you can see, kids and families are out having a blast on these rides. And you have people just kind of sitting around. There's a ticket booth where you can purchase your ticket.
Oh, there's another carousel here too.
Here on the inside, there's another carousel. So there's a carousel on the inside of the mall where we did the tour. If you want to see how that looks, make sure you check out that video. There's games as well. There's so many people out.
It's cool. They have carpeted area, like fake grass area where people can just lounge and have a picnic. And maybe just get the food from any of the vendors and eat it here.
The mall looks so beautiful. So one thing I noticed about this mall, which I didn't notice from the inside, from this point on, it looks like new parts of the mall that's being built, and you can't see that from the inside, but from the outside you could tell that another area is being built, so maybe it's being expanded.
Oh, probably.
Yeah. A really nice water fountain in the center. Kids having a blast out here. These are the bikes I was telling you guys about. They're electric, so you don't even have to pedal.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
It's a cool sculpture. And again, more people just hanging out lounging around. And most people come out during the evening time just because it's so hot here during the daytime.
But not as hot as in Thailand.
Definitely not. And also a lot of kids are out of school, so they'll come and this is like a hangout for them.
There's also a really large residential area around the mall, not too far. So there's buildings with hundreds of apartments inside.
You want to get on this?
No. No way. Even though it's not too high, but still I don't like this.
The drop, right?
Feeling, yeah.
The thing is, you just don't know when they're going to drop it.
Yeah. Do you want to get on it?
I pass. I'm good. I just have a patty. I want to keep it in my stomach. Really awesome. And there you see Cold Stone in the distance for ice cream, and again, rides for all age groups. There's even bumper cars here. Wow.
Oh, Bumblebee looks so cute. Now I wouldn't mind getting on that.
There's the bumper cars. Looks like it hasn't started yet. They're still loading people on it. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a restaurant. So as you can see, we're making our way closer to the Ferris wheel. Irina called it the snowflake Ferris wheel.
And this looks like more of an adult area because there are bars.
There are bars in this area, correct.
And there's also a Starbucks here as well. Ooh, and something smells really nice.
There's a Starbucks with a security guard. Ice cream parlor.
And beer buckets. It's not ice cream.
It's
beer.
not? I must have misread. It's another restaurant. As you can see, the restaurants are really filling up now because it's now evening time. Everyone's coming off of dinner. And here's a snowflake. Wow. Really high up there. And past the snowflake is not much more restaurants. But wow, look at that. A lot of lights still. And that is it for the walking tour of this bay.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more Live in the Globe content. Salamat po so much for watching, and as usual,
We'll see you in the next one.